So like we talked about in class, you have to follow order of operations. So I'm going to do everything inside the parentheses first by moving my negative exponents. This is going to come to the bottom to be made positive. This is going to come to the top to be made positive. The 3 and the 4 are going to stay where they are because their exponent is positive. And the n squared is going to stay where it is because its exponent is positive. So this becomes m squared. And the m to the 5th is here. N squared stays where it is, it's positive, and n to the 0 is 1. In the second set of parentheses, we've got some division going on here, so n to the 4th, that's where the highest power of n is, so it stays there, minus this has an exponent of 1 over 9 squared. So still simplifying inside the parentheses, m to the 4th, or sorry, 3 to the 4th. Highest power of m is on the bottom. Subtract the exponents. The 1 anytime times 1 is 1, so it stays the same, and the n squared still stays the same, and it's squared. Okay, if I simplify here, I'm going to get m n to the 3rd over 9 squared. 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. And now we're going to square inside the parentheses. 3 squared is 9. When I take a power to a power, I multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. This is a power of 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6, so n to the 6th over 81. I can cross reduce. 9 goes into both of these. It goes in once and 9 times. Multiplying straight across like you do fractions. Remember, when you multiply powers, you add the exponents. So I've got m squared, n to the 4th times n to the 6th. 4 plus 6 is 10. Oops, I forgot to square this. You guys do that all the time too. That would be 16. Okay, 16 times 9 is 144. And m to the 6 on the bottom. Okay, got to divide again. My highest power of m is on the bottom. So m to the 6th minus 2. Okay, 144 is going to stay where it is. And n to the 10th is going to stay where it is. So I get n to the 10th over 144 m to the 4th, and that's your final answer. Again, what we did was we put things together that we learned in the last unit, or the unit before 2 units ago, with the new learning, which is dividing.